the discussion about, where do we think we're going, and what do we think the outcome is from sort of being human and going through an evolutionary process. Because that's the other thing with the common conception is that, well, we're here, like we're human. It's like, no, we're maybe 1/5 or 1/millionth or 1/100 millionth of the journey of evolution of what we will become. We're somewhere along the timeline that you've hit pause, and we look kind of like this.
Right.
It's why I have lower back pain from playing squash, because I shouldn't have a shitty single column spine. I should have like 8 spines.
Yeah.
But it's because I used to be quadrupedal, and then I became bipedal, and now I have structural issues. So where are we going is a question that I think if humans could come to some kind of, if it was discussed more, like what are we actually aiming for? What are we trying to make? The whole rockets leaving Earth discussion gets framed in a different way, right?
Yeah.
It starts becoming like, what are we preserving? Are we trying to preserve consciousness? Is that important? Because I think it is. And so what in a million years, what would you like to see happen? It won't be something you'll understand. It'll be a completely different organism, but would it become transcendent? Is it like God?
Right.
What is it?
What is it?
So those kind of discussions are really interesting, and they're at the backbone of things to do with either religion or finding UFOs that are in Area S4 in Nevada, in my mind.
Well, it seems like human beings have this innate desire to constantly improve upon everything they've created. And the way I've talked about it, it's almost like bees building a beehive. How do they know what they're doing? They just do it.